To add event to calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you have to start just by opening your calendar like so, and you should get this view. Now, if you mark any of the day, for example, this one, and right now you have to just click here on the plus, and right now set a title, for example, wedding. Now we can even add some, icon. You can change the icon of your event, and you can change the color like this. Now you can also change for the all day or specific date schedule like this one, for example, and now it will be appears like this in the 2 days. When you click on it one more time, you can just still open it and edit by clicking on this button. So what you can also do here, you can add location, you can add this to the specific calendar for your family, for a Samsung calendar, or some other calendars that you have created by selecting. You can also add repeat at time of your event, like 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, or for example, 1 day before. You can also set a repeat. For example, if you set a reminder or event for the birthday of someone, you can add this like every 1 year, repeat on a specific day. As you can see, there's like a lot of things that we can actually customize. We can even add some notes. We can add some attachments over here. Let me just show you. It's here. So you can put some files, photos, and things. You can add a video conference call, quick shortcuts. You can invite someone, or for example, you can change the time zone. And of course, you can click save. And right now, this is here. When you tap on it one more time, you can quickly duplicate if you want, especially useful, for example, for some birthdays. And you can share this, you can delete, you can even add the countdown widget to your home screen that will look just like that.